Hello, beautiful people. I'm Nicole, Coach Twyman, and welcome back to my Fit, Fine, and Fabulous YouTube channel. Sis, today we're celebrating Juneteenth in a special way. I've created a refreshing juice blend that I've named the Juneteenth Freedom Blend Juice. We are not just celebrating the liberation of being physically free, but we're also celebrating the freedom to choose to be healthy. Yes, sis, because listen, this juice is not only delicious, but it's packed with nutrients to keep you energized and healthy. Drink this red juice regularly and you can expect an enhanced immune system and clear skin from all the vitamins and all the antioxidants that are flowing all the way through. So improved blood flow and improved heart health. Hello, low blood pressure. Girl, your inflammation will be dramatically reduced, and not to mention all the hydration and digestive health support you're going to get when you are drinking this blend. Now let's get into these delicious ingredients, shall we? For our Freedom Blend Juice, you'll need 2 cups of watermelon chunks, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, so good, 1 cup of strawberries, 1 small envy apple, because if you didn't know, envy is the best, 1 small beet, 1 lemon with the peel, I like the peel, sis, and 1 inch a piece of fresh ginger with the skin on. Yes, I like the skin. Now, first, we want to make sure that we have everything all washed up and all your ingredients are thoroughly clean, because you don't want to be drinking pesticides and all the things. Now, I like to keep the peel on the ginger and the lemon for the extra nutrients, but also because I'm from New Orleans, I like to keep it spicy, honey. It has a zesty kick to it, but you can choose to take yours off. But I want you to try it with the skin on first, right? Make sure you're chopping your ingredients into manageable pieces for your juicer, okay? Now, in fact, let's just go ahead and get started with our juicing. Now, here you'll see me adding the watermelon, the pineapple, the strawberries, the beets, all the things. I'm adding them all to my juicer, and I need you to just pay attention to these beautiful colors and how they are coming together into this deep, gorgeous red. My juicer is a large capacity juicer, and even with that, I had to break my ingredients into 2 different batches. You may need to do 2 or more depending on the capacity of your own juicer. And of course, when I'm done, I give it all a good stir so that we have all of these girl, this juice tastes so good. All of these amazing flavors. Listen, you're going to love it. And because here it is, our Juneteenth Freedom Blend Juice. You're going to really enjoy this juice. I promise you. I wanted to share with you too before we go, because you might be wondering, why is this juice red? Red foods are significant in Juneteenth celebrations because the color red symbolizes the bloodshed and resilience of the enslaved people who fought for their freedom. Celebrating with red foods honors their struggle, honors their triumph. Juneteenth is observed today, June 19th, commemorating that day in 1865 when enslaved African Americans in Texas were finally informed of their freedom, marking a pivotal moment in American history. Red foods like beets, strawberries, watermelon are packed with nutrients. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support your heart health, reduce your inflammation, and boost your immune system. Incorporating red foods into your diet is a delicious way to improve your overall health. Since we celebrate freedom from physical slavery traditionally, and today, some of us are still enslaved to our cravings. Some of us are still enslaved to fast food. Some of us are still enslaved to unhealthy habits that never served us. Today, we celebrate the freedom to live a life full of health, full of wellness, free from being fat, sick, and unhealthy. Now let's talk about the nutritional value of this Freedom Blend Juice. This juice is low in fat, and in protein, but high in healthy carbs and natural sugars, making it a great source for quick energy. So get ready to feel revitalized and full of energy again, sis, because that's what juice does for you. Girl, and when I tell you this juice tastes so good, your taste buds will be dancing. This is the perfect juice for celebrating Juneteenth on any day you need more energy. So try making this Juneteenth Freedom Juice blend at home and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy and tasty recipes from Fit, Fyne, and Fabulous. Happy Juneteenth, everybody. Oh, before we go, if you want to learn more about how to get started on your Juicing for Health journey, make sure you join us for our free class this Saturday, June 22nd at 4:30 Pacific and at 7:30 Eastern by signing up now at fitfinefabmasterclass.com. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and stay whole, my good sisters. See you on Saturday.